So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Kavita and in today's video we are going to learn two-side French braid. So let's get started with the video.
Thinking of you, thinking of you.
Okay, so for this starting you just have to do the middle partition. And now take some hair from your front section, divide it into 3 parts. So now after this, place this one like this and this. Then repeat the same. Now you have to take some hair from your this section now repeat the same. Take some hairs from this section. If you want to leave some extra hairs on your face, so you will have to leave them just now. Just a second. Like this. Then again take the hair. Now secure it with the help of a small rubber band, elastic rubber band. So yeah, that's all for today. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Comment down any suggestions. Bye. I will see you in the next one. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Kavita and in today's helpful for you, so please don't forget to like the video, subscribe.
Call it spring, like everything